Hi, are you ready to get that glow? Well, for those of you that have purchased the O2 infuser kit from LeMieux, I just want to share with you how that I use it in at home. So it's great little unit, so easy to use and so affordable. And I just wanted to, first of all, say that my name's Jenny. I'm the registered nurse, licensed esthetician, and owner and CEO of Winds of Change. And this year, it is what? It is December 15th, 2021. Oh my gosh, we're going to go into 2022. But we're going to go ahead and get that glow going for the rest of our years. So you got the kit, and inside was this machine. First of all, you need to charge it up, okay? Plug it in, USB port. And when this light turns green, then it's ready to go. Then inside the kit is you have the gun with the reservoir and also a larger reservoir if you want to use your whole body. Oh, wouldn't that be lovely to get the glow for the whole body? So there's that. So this is already attached, the reservoir. Now you're just going to go ahead and put this around gently. First of all, okay, now it'll swing around and just tighten it up. Not too tight, okay, just to tighten it up so that it doesn't wobble. Now we're going to go ahead and use, in your kit, you got the Oh My Glow activator and my Oh My Glow serum. This is what I call hyaluronic on steroids. It has so many molecules of hyaluronic, plus it's got other active ingredients. And the other thing, it's got niacinamide in it and some hyaluronic, of course, and the diamond glow powder to give you that extra boost of glow. Now, the other serum from LeMieux, the hyaluronic serum, only has maybe 2 or 3 molecules of hyaluronic. So this has got 10 plus. It's really an awesome new product from LeMieux. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and pour. I have some already in a little bit, but I like to go all the way up to the first line, up right up to here, okay? Now I'm going to add in 1 dropper full, okay? For you guys, 1 dropper full. When I'm in the treatment room, I'm giving you 2 dropper fulls. Not drops, dropper full. So I squeeze the top, and then I'm just going to put in the whole amount of serum into the container. Put the lid back on, shake it up. Now, on the end, I'm sorry, is a plastic, let's start this up. So on the end is a plastic protector for this gun. So make sure that you remove it, or else if it's spraying, it's gonna clog it up and nothing's gonna come out and you're gonna call me, it's not working. But remember to remove it. And you could save it. So at the end of a use, you could just go ahead and pop it back on just to protect the end. All right, so after I shake this up, now I've already washed my skin. And what I'm going to do is, after I wanna make it a treatment, I'm gonna go ahead and exfoliate with a microderm cream. I'm also going to maybe use one of my vitamin C pads just to get an extra boost of exfoliation. And so then I'm going to go ahead and turn it on right here. And you can feel the air coming out, but no product is coming out yet. The only way it'll come out is if you have to push this little stem back. Now I'm using my thumb. Some of you can go ahead and use your finger, okay? For me, it's just a little more comfortable with my thumb. So just find which is more comfortable for you and use my thumb. I'm going to use to push it back, because in order to have the spray come out, you got to push it back. Now I'm just going to go ahead and spray my neck and my chest, and then go ahead and spray my skin. Now I'm kind of close. I don't like to shoot way out here because I don't want it spraying all over everywhere. I just rather get closer to my face and then just go ahead and spray. Okay, don't forget your lips. Plump those babies up. Okay, now when you're going down around your face, face the gun downward below the eyes so that you're not gonna get into your eyes. Now I'm gonna get a little closer to around the edge of the eyes. Now the part around the forehead is I'm going to put my hand over my eyes like this so I don't let it drip into my eyes. And before I take my hands away, I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it in just so it doesn't drip, okay? Because if it drips into your eyes, it stings. All right. So you could go ahead and do your whole neck and face with just that one application. And you're going to get right by your ears, not inside your ears, but I like to go behind the ears and behind the neck here and just the edge of the ears here, okay? So this is really just saturating my skin with all the serum, the hyaluronic. Remember, hyaluronic is a cell plumper, and plus the other ingredients with the peptides in here will actually help renew the collagen, get that elastin. The more hydration that's in your skin, the less age will show up on top of your skin. So that's what we all want. Okay, so after that is infused, like I said, I did a lot. This is a treatment, and I'm going to show you what I would do if I wasn't a treat. Oh, I should have put my hair back. Anyway, get into my hairline here, and just so it's not dripping. And if it is dripping a little bit, go ahead and massage it as you are infusing. All right. And you will know when it's done, because then it'll just feel like air without anything coming in. All right. So at the same time, let's say you want a little bit more product to come out faster, just do this top right here. And then more product will come out faster. And then if you don't want more, just turn it clockwise and it won't come out as much, okay? Just be careful that when you're taking it apart, please call me for questions if you have concerns with your gun, because I've had people take it apart, try to pull that little needle that's in here, and it got bent, and then it won't work at all right? So let me work with you if you're having any questions or concerns. All right, so I got all of it in. See how dewy, glowy I am? And turn it off. Now what am I gonna do? All right, what I like to do is go ahead and add in my, this is in the daytime because I really want to glow. It doesn't have any vitamin C in here. So I like to go ahead and put a couple drops of vitamin C serum, and then it's got peptides in there and hyaluronic, so I don't need that, but I just want to add in my vitamin C serum. Then if you have the stem cell EGF, that's good to use too in the daytime. But if you're going to use EGF only, use that at night, okay? So I'm just adding a little extra vitamin C on top of my skin. Now you could either massage it in, or what I like to do is I have my jade stone, and I'll just go ahead and do my quick jade stone treatment. And you're saying, well, who has time in the morning to do all this? Well, do it at night, okay? But I have more time in the morning just to work it into my skin. The other gadget I have, which I like, is the Sonic. It has a Sonic brush, but it also has this Sonic massager. And this is from Mary Kay. And I do have these for sale because I love gadgets. And then I'll just go ahead and go behind my ear, because in front of the ear, because this is where we need to drain first. And a lot of times I'll start to cough because I just open up the canals to drain. So this is just a quick treatment I like to do when I have all this product on, just to massage it in. Number one is get that circulation going, okay? So this machine goes on for 1 minute, and then you can turn it on if you want more. But 1 minute is enough for me just to get especially close around my eye. Oh, they're getting so baggy. And massage up the forehead. Let's get that blood flow going to the brain cells, please. All right, get your nose and the neck. Okay, there's 1 minute, and that's good to go. Now, it's still a little bit moist, so I could just go ahead and massage the rest in. Make sure you get upward motion on your neck. And lift up these jowls up in your little frown lines here. Now, my face has no fillers and no Botox. And at the recording of this video, December of 2021, I'm 65 years young. But my body sometimes feels like 70 years young. Anyway, enough of that. So now my skin is quite moist. I've always used LeMieux for many years. That I'm just going to finish off with the Skin Vitamin C Protective Cream. And it is a SPF 30. If you got your own makeup with SPF in it, go ahead and use that. But if you're going to be in direct sun all day or driving a long period of time, please use the sun's protective cream and then your makeup, even though it's got SPF in it. Just double protection. All right, so while this is on, and I know some of you hate to look this shiny. But let me tell you, when I see you in your Facebook pictures and you're glowing, I says, oh, she's my LeMieux glow girl. Okay, I mean, if you don't want to look this glowy, go ahead and pat with some powder, okay? Some translucent powder or a little bit of the pressed powder, just if you don't want all this shine going on. All right, but this is really glowy. So I don't like sometimes have the time to do the whole experience of this treatment. So what I will do is, some of you only bought these two products. You didn't buy the machine, but you bought these two products. I told you this is hyaluronic on steroids. So what you're going to do is just use this as a toner. Put a little bit in your hands, about a good quarter size, and go ahead and press. Splash, 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 splash on your face. And I always get the chest. Don't forget your chest. All right. And then the top of your hands and your arms. Then you're going to take 1 dropper or even 2, let's say 2 drops. Drops, okay? Not dropper, but drops. And you're going to just use it like your serum. And then if you want to add in your other serums, maybe your EGF, stem cell, TGF, vitamin C for sure, and then apply. So that could be your morning regime. Okay. Now, go ahead and then just put on your makeup. Number 3 option is you got your O2 activator in here and your dropper full of O2 serum. Now you're just gonna go ahead and turn it on, and you're just gonna do a quick, like you're gonna just wanna just apply it like if you're gonna do a toner. So it's just a quick little spray, just enough to get your skin dewy and moist. And that's it. So I gave you 3 options of how to use the products in the machine, and what you could do to finish it off with either the jade stone or the sonic tool. It's just a vibration. I just love it because it just feels like waking up my skin. And then you could just then either get ready for work, or if you're going to do all this at night, just do it at night. But at least start applying the products every day. Every day. Once a day is plenty. And then the other time you could just use a regular isocell toner or the essence toner or the brightening toner, and then your other serums. At night, EGF and TGF is my go-to. And in the daytime, using the vitamin C serum or the collagen peptide serum. Or some of you are younger skin, just needed the RX serum. You could do that. So any questions, concerns, give me a call, text me. And then if you want to order the machine and the products, please order through me. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.